Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.09 Abbreviations. Frequently used abbreviations are BSE equals base, CWU, all caps, equals cost workup, DOR equals door, DPY equals display, DRWR equals drawer, ELV equals elevation, GSV, all caps, equals graphics, signs, visuals, INTRO equals introduction, PRJT equals project, PRJT DMNS equals project dimensions, PRJT COST SMRY equals project cost summary, SHLF equals shelf, SLCT equals select, SCTN equals section, SCTN underscore hashtag equals SECTION underscore hashtag. For example, SCTN underscore 1. SCTN hashtag equals SECTION hashtag. For example, SCTN1. S underscore hashtag equals SECTION underscore hashtag. For example, S underscore 1. S hashtag equals SECTION hashtag. For example, S1. To find abbreviations, use the glossary on the table's definitions and abbreviation sheet. This example 1.1.09 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking 1.1.10.